Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. We are going to make a green bean salad. It's summertime and we have such heavy meals, especially around the holiday time. It's nice to have something light and refreshing and healthy. So guys, we've got our locally grown green beans here. Let's get busy. Okay guys, we have some whole green beans. These are our locally grown green beans. You can use any fresh green beans. It's not too good to use frozen with this particular recipe because they're already soft. And we're going to be tossing the green beans after we get them prepared with cranberries and almonds. You can use any nuts you want. I may even throw in some pecans in this or some sesame seeds. Okay guys, so we're just going to go ahead and get our green beans open, and this is probably about 3 pounds, which I won't be using that many today, and I just want to show you guys how to trim them up. Okay. So first you want to go ahead and trim them up. Make sure you don't have any bad green beans, but you want to cut these ends off here. Just cut the ends off like that. And like so. And guys, you can break them in half from this point. That's what I like to do, because when you're eating a salad, this whole green bean is just a bit much to bite into. So you just snap it in half. Okay, we're going to put them in our colander. You can even them up some and do a few at a time so that you won't be doing one green bean at a time. Just want to take those ends off. Put the other side, put those ends together. You just want to discard the ends. With the stems on them, they're not really edible. And then again, break them in half. They snap fairly easy, guys. Okay, so I'm going to bang the rest of these out and we'll be back. Okay guys, I have my green beans all trimmed up and cut. And we are going to go ahead and steam them. I have my steam basket all ready. And after we steam them, we're going to mix it all together. Now, you can boil these if you want to. Just make sure you don't boil them for a long period of time. But I like to steam mine. You can roast them as well. Just make sure you roast them until they are just tender. Okay guys, I have my water here. It's just about 1 inch or 2 of water in the pot. I'm going to put my steamer right in here, just like that. And we have already washed and drained our green beans. So now we're just going to put them in. Just drop them in. Then we're going to put them on high. Cover them up. This will fold in. We're going to cover it up and let them steam for about 5 minutes. Then we'll be back. Okay guys, now we have our vegetables all steamed and we need to preserve that nice rich color. We want to keep that green color in there. So the next thing we need to do is to take some ice. Put a strainer in there. Let me move this aside. You have your ice, put your strainer on top of it. Then you want to take your basket, sit it right down in there. You don't even need to remove them from the basket yet. That'll make it easy to pick up in the end. And you want to pour cold water on there, getting them into a nice cold ice bath. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit more on there. Because you want that cold water to cover them up. There they go. Now they're sinking down in there. There they go. Okay, guys. All right. Want to make sure they're swimming around in that water. Yes. Okay. Put a little bit more in there so they're all covered up. Okay, guys. Now we're going to let them sit here for just about 5 minutes and cool down real quick in that ice bath so we can preserve that nice green color. We'll be back. Okay, guys, these are cooled and ready to come out of here. So we just want to make sure they're drained good. So I'm going to take my colander out of here and sit it over here and let them drain for just a couple of minutes more. And we'll be back when they're ready. Okay, guys, we are down to the final stretch. Our green beans, as you can see, they are nice and bright and green. Okay, so we're going to add just a little bit of salt so we can bring out these flavors. I'm going to use white pepper because I want the flavor, but I don't want to see the little black specks. So just a little bit of the white pepper, and it's actually ground white pepper. So when we mix it in, it's going to blend in, and oh my God, that smells good. And just about a teaspoon of olive oil. You just want enough for everything to kind of stick with it. So not very much at all. That's good enough. And first we're going to just mix this all together, guys. Mix this all together. And guys, this green bean salad can actually be eaten cold or warm. You can warm it up or you can eat it just like it is out the refrigerator. It makes an excellent side dish. It's quick and easy for a weeknight meal as well. So let's get our cranberries and almonds in here and we'll be done. We'll give it a taste. Okay, guys, we've got our pepper and our salt and olive oil all mixed in, and we're just going to sprinkle our cranberries and almonds in. Okay, sprinkle a little bit more in there. Okay, guys, we are all done. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness, guys. Yes. Hey guys, we are all done with our cranberry salad. And I'm going to grab a fork so I can give it a taste. Guys, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and share this video out, guys. Share it out, guys. Tell everybody you know that Chef and More is over here cooking up quick and easy meals. Delicious! You get that little pop tartness from the cranberries, the crunch from the almonds, and just that awesome green bean flavor. Guys, this is one of the best, easiest salads that you can put together quick and in a hurry. You can make a lot of it and take it somewhere if you're going to have a potluck. Makes an excellent potluck, guys, and it's healthy too. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.